Here at Noovo, today I'm going to walk you through how your swivel seats work and how to deploy the bed in the Lite model. Very simple process. What you'll do, you will lift up on this black lever right here and simply rotate the seat until it locks, just like that. So it's a very simple process. What you'll do to start off is lift up on the actual table, drop that right there onto the bench seat. You will then turn this to the left, set that pole aside. You'll then flip it back around and attach it to the bottom hinge, just like that, so it becomes flush with everything else. Then we actually equip you with additional padding that goes over the table. And then you can use this to help level it out. And you essentially get a day bed, which is also just shy of a twin size.